Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how to use AWeber with Kajabi. If you're new to AWeber, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect Kajabi with AWeber. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both Kajabi and AWeber from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. If you haven't connected your AWeber account to Zapier yet, you'll see a Sign In option. Click on this button, and then enter your login details and click Allow Access. And just like that, your AWeber account is now connected to Zapier. Now repeat this process to connect your Kajabi account. You will see a Sign In button. Click on it. Next, enter your API key and API secret, then click Yes, Continue to Kajabi, and your account will be connected. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80K in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.